Can't hack it? Want to go home? I don't blame you for wanting to play it safe. Crown Lake is tough.
All right, here you go, young ladies.
Oh, are you excited for the field trip next weekend?
I guess. Though I don't know what's so cool about some old caves.
Nellie, what are you doing here? Was there a day off? Wait, did you take the bus? Judy, would you get her a cup of hot cocoa, please?
With grated cinnamon on top? Got it.
Dad, I don't think Crown Lake's for me. Please thank the Roach family. I know they pulled a lot of strings to get me there.
You mean you're not going back? Wait, did something happen?
I'll re-enroll at Attaway High tomorrow.
Okay, sweetheart. All right. Just make yourself at home.
I don't know if that's possible.
Hey, what was that all about? That girl rule thing?
Hey, don't ask me. She wanted to be a part of the team.
Why would she want to embarrass herself like that?
I don't know.
Might have been because of,
Because of what?
nothing, man. Forget it.
That's a left-handed guitar, by the way. You're playing it upside down.
So what'd you want to give me? Seriously? But this is the first present Dad ever gave you.
He won it for me, but you were my biggest prize. You're old enough to take care of it. Cherish it always. As long as you have this bird by your side, you will fly. I believe in you.
You know, your mom would want you to stay at Crown Lake.
How does she know all the trouble I was getting into?
What is going on, Nellie?
You wouldn't want to know.
Try me.
You are different. You need to go all out to support your favorite scavenger team. You'll get instant cred.
You gonna kiss me here or here?
Oh my God. I just feel like everyone knows the rules except for me.
That's tough.
And I even had help navigating things. At least I thought I had help. Maybe it's just better that I play it safe back home.
Your mom played it safe, too.
How?
She went to Crown Lake for 2 years. That's where she met your dad. She moved here for him. Your mom had a legacy at Crown Lake, but she settled in Attaway, which is great. It's just, I always thought that she was destined for different things.
I'm doing the same thing.
It wasn't at all the same. Your mom left Crown Lake to go to something. You're running away.
Mom!
There were times when I was still at Crown Lake that I cried myself to sleep. I was so miserable, so alone. I thought that if I went home, everything would be great. But you know what? At home, I was still the same old me with the same old problems. Frustrated with my parents' divorce, terrible at math. You can run from your problems, but they'll always find you. My suggestion? Take a look inside for answers. This time, it's up to you.
Dad.
I don't need another lightweight.
All right, look, this is what I got for you now.
I can't let you sleep on the couch.
Is that Nellie Chambers? Nice to see you again. Have you met my daughter? This is Randy. Randy, this is Nellie Chambers. Smart girl who's going to Crown Lake.
Oh, yeah. I went there, too. It's a good school, if you can handle the pressure.
So, is it some kind of school holiday or something, Nellie?
Oh, Nellie's having a little problem at Crown Lake, so she might be here for some time.
What am I paying for you, then, if you can't hack it? You take care of this. You keep her in line. You handle this now, you understand?
You weren't very polite.
Are they gonna come after me now that I've left Crown Lake?
Of course not, sweetheart.
What is going on, Dad? You're still drinking, you sold the house, and the Roach family is controlling you. Just because you ruined your life and you ruined Mom's doesn't mean you have to ruin mine, too.
Wait, what are you talking about?
Judy told me that Mom loved Crown Lake, and she left for you.
Nellie, I
If
never...
she stayed at Crown Lake, she'd probably still be alive.
No, Nellie, I wanted her to be happy. Like I want you to be happy.
I'll never be happy. Do you still drink? Because you know what I did.
What you did? What could you have done?
That night, she was looking for me. I was supposed to be at the diner, but I wasn't, and I'm the reason why she's dead.
Listen to me. Don't you ever blame yourself. Those guys that attacked your mom, they mistook her for me.
Why?
When I saw that tire iron, I knew it was Jimmy's guys.
Jimmy? As in the Jimmy that's paying for me to go to Crown Lake?
What happened to your mom? It was just a terrible case of mistaken identity. I'm the one that's supposed to be dead. Mistakes that I made. You growing up without your mom.
Dad, stop.
God, I'd do anything. Change everything.
Me too.
I was just hoping that while you were at Crown Lake, I could work stuff out, get clean, and when you came home, I'd be the father that you needed. But you listen to me. If you are not happy there, it's okay. We will figure it out. I promise you.
Am I wearing a Crown Lake baby bib?
Yep. I remember when your mom ordered that. She actually had me drive down to Crown Lake to pick it up.
My first uniform.
You see? You were meant for that school. I'm sorry. You need to do what's right. Although, I actually brought this in for you, too. And, again, Dad's not trying to push.
she will never know, 'cause she's wrapped in mysteries. Doesn't glitter, but she's golden, some angel.
I think I owe it to Mom to go back. Chase big dreams for the both of us.
My little bird is ready to leave her nest.
Mind give me a ride back?
At your service, madame.
Next time on Crown Lake.
By now, I bet a few people have gotten the best of you. But don't let them push you around. Your challenge today?
Josh.
Get them back.